Hi, beloveds. Have you been trying to get a job offer for a remote position? Ever wondered why your LinkedIn profile or professional website isn't getting you the remote job offers that you're looking for? It's because having a professional online presence isn't just about having a LinkedIn profile or a website with your name as a domain name. It's about having a clear and optimized online presence that translates who you are and what you do into a specific service. Join me on February 27th and 29th at my Remote Job Seekers Guide workshop. That's where I'm going to show you how to optimize your online presence to increase your chances of landing interviews and job offers for 100% remote jobs. So here's a sneak peek. It's not about focusing on your history or what you've accomplished. It's about highlighting what you can do for an employer or client. Your services offered section or web page should be front and center, not buried under irrelevant, information. You need to clarify how who you are and what your occupation is translates into a specific service. You are a service provider, whether you work for yourself or you're looking to be employed by a company full-time. People who can pay you money don't have time to figure out how you can serve them based on what you list your occupational title to be in, a 1 to 3 page biography. If your website focuses on you and your history, what you've done and accomplished, that's not adequate. It's not enough, and it's probably why you're not seeing results. For example, simply stating that you're a content creator, you're an HR professional, you're an IT specialist, that's not enough. These are just categories and labels. What potential employers and clients want to know is what specific services you offer and how it can benefit them. Do you list any specific services on your LinkedIn profile? Do you list any specific services on your portfolio website? Do you? I didn't think so. So now you have some work to do. In the workshop, we're going to dive deep into how to use language effectively to portray a clear and action-oriented message that's going to get potential clients and employers excited about moving forward with you. And that is just the tip of the iceberg. If you're serious about landing a remote job in your desired field, this workshop will be a game changer. And don't worry, if you can't make it, the workshop will be recorded. So just reach out to me to learn how to get access to that recording. So you ready to transform your online presence? If you are really looking for that ideal remote job, sign up today. And also tell me, I'm curious, what's the one thing you're hoping to learn from this workshop? Drop your comments below, message me. I'd love to hear it. All right, see you then. Bye-bye, beloveds.